Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Cherub Chipmunk pet from Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. On the left, let's draw a curve down on an angle, and then a bump out on the left side. And now for the right eye, let's leave a gap and let's draw a large circle. And then let's color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now we're going to hop underneath and start drawing the shape of the head. On the left, let's draw a curve down and in. Then let's bring it over to the right. And curve it back up at the end, stopping here. Now let's hop in and let's draw the pattern on the face. In between the eyes, let's draw a curve across. Then on the left, let's bring it down and up. And a longer curve over to the right in the same way. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw the nose with a small bump and a V-shaped point underneath. Now top on top and under the left eye, let's draw two curves in, meeting at a point. And then on the right side, let's do the same, coming in. And then an angle to close off the end. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the leaf crown. On the top left, let's draw a leaf with two curves. And add a small line inside on the left. Now let's add a larger one going up on top. And another one behind with two curves like this. And a line inside. Now for the next one, let's draw two curves down underneath, meeting at a point. And another line. Now for the next set of leaves, let's start with one on top that's longer. And a longer one underneath between the eyes. Now for the next one, let's bring it all the way over on top of the right eye. And one underneath. Let's add another one across. And then a larger one down to the side of the head here. And then one more going out. And that's it for the leaves. Now let's add the top of the head. Let's start in the center and let's draw two curves up, meeting at a point. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing next to it. And for the last piece of hair on top, let's curve it out and back in with the wavy line. Now let's add the top of the head by curving it down on the left. And the same thing on the right, stopping here. Next, we're going to add the ears. On the right side, let's draw a large curve up and back down. And another one inside. And for the other ear, let's bring it up on the left and down. And again, another one inside. Now lastly, for the head here, let's draw a few more leaves to the crown. Next to the right ear, let's draw a leaf going up. Then let's hop up on top of the head and let's add a point up. Curve it over. And one more on the left here. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve down, stopping here. Now underneath, we're going to draw a large circle for the first hand. Now let's continue the body under the hand by curving it down and over to the right. And curve it back up. Now inside the body, let's add the other hand with a circle. And then on top of this hand, let's draw a line down. And continue it underneath for the belly patch. Now underneath the body, let's draw the feet. On the bottom left, let's draw a small curve down and curve it back in. And then let's move over to the right and let's draw two curves down and close off the bottom. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's hop out and draw the wings. Let's start on the right next to the head and let's draw a bump out and back in. And another one underneath. Now starting at the top, let's draw another bump. And then two more back down to the body. Then at the top again, let's draw three more. Now for the ends of the wings, let's draw a long curve out and back in near the top. Another one underneath. And let's work our way down and back in, getting shorter as we go. Now for the left wing, let's start next to the head and let's draw a curve out and back in. And then three smaller ones getting shorter as we go back in underneath. And that's it for this cute cherub chipmunk. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!